garden.
First pit stop of the mini road trip, and we have made our way down the banks of Loch Lomond, and we are just on our way to find the Inveruglas, I think, Pyramid. It looks pretty cool, so we're just having a little pit stop after about an hour from Glasgow in the car. So we're going to have a little wander, maybe grab something to eat and take in the views, because the views today are just beautiful. The sun is out and I'm feeling very chilled.
Maybe you don't want to know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you. So maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. 'Cause I don't wanna waste my time. If we don't feel the same way, then don't pretend that everything's okay. Don't string me along the way you do. Just let me get over you. Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what
I can see just the top of your head.
in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you. So maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. 'Cause I don't wanna waste my time. No.
We've just grabbed some lunch and we are now on our way to our cabin and very excited. We're going to try and get there before dark so we can see it in the daylight.
Maybe you don't wanna know. You don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you. So maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. 'Cause I don't wanna waste my time.
So we have just checked in to Riverbeds, and I don't know if you can tell by the noise, you might be able to hear it on camera, but we are right next to the river, and it is very loud, but I'm so excited to be by the water. We've got a gorgeous little cabin with its own hot tub, so we have just got here, we've just checked in. We're about to head to our cabin now and unpack. We've got some snacks, we're going to order takeout. We've got some Prosecco, and we're just going to chill in our hot tub all evening and just enjoy being in nature, feeling free.
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got our lines crossed? We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better. I try to fix things that weren't broken, misunderstandings and words unspoken.
So we have unpacked slightly. It's very small in here, but it's amazing. So we're making the use of every little bit of space. But as you can see, we are ready to get in the hot tub. We are not wasting any more time. You do not have to tell us twice to get into a hot tub with a bottle of champagne. So we are off. Let's go.
So maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. 'Cause I don't wanna waste my time. If we don't feel the same way, then don't pretend that everything's okay. Don't string me along the way you do. Just let me get over you. Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you.
It's a bit windy. The first stop of our day today is at a place called Castle Stalker. It looks incredible. It looks very Game of Thrones-esque. Very windy today, as you can tell. So yeah, we've parked up near a cafe. We're going to walk down, see if we can get a bit closer closer towards the water because it looks incredible from down near the beach. And the castle is on a little island, as you can see here, but we're just by the side of the coast by Appin, I believe it's called. We moved the car because we realised that the walk down from the cafe was way too long, and with the weather today we didn't think it was worth it in case we then got stuck in a blizzard on the way back. So we have parked up a little bit further around the corner, and this is what we were in search of.
Time.
Sandy is currently trying to work out how to get across the river.
Proceed to the highlighted route and then the route guidance will start.
Have we got our lines crossed?
So we have just parked the car down near the pier, and we are going to wander up to McCaig's Tower, which is on the top of the hill in Oban. Yeah, I forgot to say, we've just parked in Oban. I think that's how you say it, sorry if I said it wrong. It's very windy again. This is November for you in Scotland. So yeah, we're going to have a wander up the hill and see if we can have a little wander around the tower.
And I won't dare to say, do you feel the same?
So we have arrived at the tower. It is starting to rain, but it's beautiful. It's like a round house tower kind of thing. The tower was built in 1897 by the McCaig family, and it's just a garden on top of the hill overlooking the town of Oban. It just offers the most incredible picturesque views of the bay and the sea, and it's just a lovely place to come and have a little wander around, really.
If we don't feel the same way, then don't pretend that everything's okay. Don't string me along the way you do. Just let me get over you.
We have just driven all the way from Oban to Fort William. It took like an hour and a half. We've just got here and we were going to go for a walk and have a little wander around, see if we could see Ben Nevis, but it is chucking it down again still. So instead, we're going to go to the pub.
With broken hearts, 'cause I don't want to waste my time. No. I don't want to waste my time. No.
Good morning. So we have just woken up and we are in the forest and we can hear the river and it's beautiful. It feels very autumnal here at the moment, so we are going to have a shower, get dressed and then head out to explore.
If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. 'Cause I don't want to waste my time.
So we have just checked out and of course it's raining again, so we've just ran to the car with our suitcases and is here. And we are now kind of making our way to Edinburgh, so we might stop, depending on the rain, on the way, but if not we are heading straight to Edinburgh city centre. We have just driven for around 15 minutes I think from our cabin, and we have arrived in the valley of Glencoe. Oh, it just feels so good to be outside. And Sandy's up there somewhere. She's seeking out a waterfall in the brown all the way up there. So I'm gonna go find her. It's very cold, but it's not raining. So yeah, we're making the most of it. We've pulled over on the road in a little lay-by, and we are just hiking up one of the little hills.
I won't dare to say, do you feel the same way? Maybe
coming.
for you. So maybe I should go
Is it a bit cold?
from the start. This world never knew broken hearts. 'Cause I don't wanna waste my time. If we don't feel the same way, then don't pretend that everything's okay.